Oh, now you're eating their kibble? Hey, Fried. I don't think you're supposed to be stealing the cat's kibble. Yeah, you think it's funny? Alright, you're gonna head on out? Okay, well, it was nice having you. Thanks for hanging out, Fried. Yeah, she's a good chicken. She's a very good chicken. Comes over to me and she's all, pick me up, bring me in the house. Pick me up, bring me in the house. Yes, you are spoiled. You're spoiled chicken. See you later. See you later, Fried. Heading on out. Alright. Well, they probably are in the coop. Why don't you just go down, go to the coop. They're in the coop, Fried. Go to the coop. Alright, see you later. You gonna go help her find the coop? Go help her find the coop. Mr. Stripe. Alrighty then. Oh wait, you wanna come back in? You're not quite done around here. Okay, see you later, Fried. Bye-bye. Oh, and there's Scrambles. Going, hey, Fried, where are you? She's up here. Come on, Scrambles. Come get Fried. Bring her home. Bring that fried chicken home. Oh, now they're all coming out for the evening run. All right, good night, chickens.